There is a universal truth we all have to face, whether we want to or not. Everything eventually ends. As much as I've looked forward to this day, I've always disliked endings. The final chapter of a great book, parting ways with a close friend. But endings are inevitable. You close the book, you say goodbye.
You say sometimes it's like I hardly know you. And maybe there's some things I never showed you. Sometimes you're certain, but you just can't get it working at all.